లో మా అందరినీ చేసింది మీరే, సమాజాన్ని నిర్మిస్తున్నది మీరే. సెల్ఫ్ హెల్ప్ గ్రూప్స్కి, మెప్మాకి, ఐకేపీ వాళ్ళందరికీ పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు, శుభాకాంక్షలమ్మ. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. లైన్లోకి వస్తారా సార్?
గిన్నీస్ బుక్ రికార్డు మొత్తం మీకే అంకితం. గ్రీన్ ఇండియా ఛాలెంజ్కు అంకితం. ఇవాళ గిన్నీస్ బుక్ రికార్డు వస్తుంది, గ్రీన్ ఇండియా ఛాలెంజ్కి ఇద్దాం సార్. కలెక్టర్ గారు ఆధ్వర్యంలో నిజంగా కలెక్టర్ గారు కూడా వెయ్యి బవళ్ళు కష్టపడుతూ ఇలా జిల్లాను అభివృద్ధిలో నడుపుతున్నారు. వారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో టీం అంతా కూడా దీన్ని, ఎందుకంటే ఒక మంచి కార్యక్రమాన్ని దేశవ్యాప్తంగా ఒక విప్లవం లాగా స్టార్ట్ చేసిన కనుక మరి వచ్చిన దాన్ని గ్రీన్ ఇండియా ఛాలెంజ్కు అంకితం చేద్దామని ఒకసారి మరొకసారి తెలియజేస్తూ థ్యాంక్ యూ. జై తెలంగాణ, జై కేసీఆర్.
యా మిస్టర్ రిషి, am I audible, Mr. Rishi? Sir, he is from Kolkata.
Sir, you can speak.
Okay.
You can speak, sir.
Yes.
So, do you want me to address everyone?
Yeah, very thank you, Rishi. Now we are having our chief guest, Mr. Santosh Ji, MP Rajya Sabha, and our beloved Minister Srinivas Gaud, Excise, Sports and Archaeological Minister, Tourism Minister, and all the IKP and MEPMA people are here. We are waiting for your announcement, but I don't know if you can announce this sentence. We are very happy. Otherwise, we will wait for some more time. Rishi, you please carry on. Yeah, Mr. Rishi. Hey, please connect. Mr. Rishi, you are there? Yeah, Mr. Rishi, the bombing also started today by Honorable MP Saab, who is the creator of the Green India Challenge in India. It is for 4th time he has done, and my beloved Minister Srinivas Gaud sir also came, and we have started bombing in a big way. We are promising Guinness Book of World Record that we will bomb 2 crore balls within 1 week. అలాగే అనదర్ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ ఎంపీ శ్రీ మన్నె శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి గారు ఫ్రమ్ మహబూబ్ నగర్ పార్లమెంటరీ కాన్స్టిట్యున్సీ ఆల్సో హియర్. There are so many public representatives. I think you have entire show you have witnessed from the morning at 10 a.m. We are very happy for the opportunity given for my SSG groups. Thank you. If you want to say something, you please say.
Hello.
Hello. Hello,
Yeah, Mr. Can you carry on?
I couldn't hear you. It was, your link was lost.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now? I can't hear. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. I was, so to begin with, good evening. We started in the morning, and now, as you can see, quite a few hours have elapsed. I was observing the entire record attempt, the planting of the seed balls, It was very well organized, very thoroughly done. I think I've lost you there again.
Yeah, no, now you are not audible. Again, you are not audible, Mr. Rishi.
Sir, listen you, sir.
Okay. So shall I continue?
Yes, you can continue, Mr. Rishi. You can continue.
Okay.
I think we are back. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, sorry, there was a glitch there somewhere. But anyway, I was observing the entire process. It was phenomenal. All the participants, the SHG, the women from SHG, they were performing their task very diligently. It was wonderful to see that. The entire initiative is a noble initiative and is towards a green tomorrow, where the seeds will be planted and they'll be dispersed on hills as far as I can understand, and we are looking at a greener tomorrow. I have received the evidence now, and so everything, all the evidence which we had a person, a chartered accountant, who was appointed to do the counting with the help of the SHG and other people appointed over there. And so I can see the number, it's very promising. So I would be requiring about another half an hour to make the final announcement with the certificate presentation. And I'll be back in half an hour to give the certificate. And as far as I can see, that hopefully there's a lot of good news coming your way. So I'll excuse myself. I will go through the evidence now, and I'll be back in half an hour with the certificate presentation.